RACI chart or RACI matrix. These are the two words used interchangeably. First, it is not something a mandatory document you must prepare in your project. That is not necessary. But it's a tool to clarify roles and responsibility and can be used at variety of places. It can be used as a part of a resource management plan to clarify the roles and responsibility of various roles. It can be used inside the contract to clarify the roles and responsibility of seller and buyer. It can be used as a part of a communication management plan to clarify roles and responsibility related to communication related activities. Now, what is this chart? This chart talks about that you create columns which represent role like a project manager, business analyst, system engineer, quality assurance. So you put a role and then you put activities which you want to clarify. So say project planning, design, development, testing, you put the activity. And with the help of a grid, you start putting the number R or a character RACI. R means in whichever cell you put R, it means that particular role is responsible for doing this activity. If you put A in the cell, then you know that this particular role is accountable for doing this particular activity. The C stands for consult. It means when this activity is happening, this particular role should be consulted. The I stands for that this particular role should be informed. So by putting this RACI into cells of this grid, we clarify roles and responsibility of different roles. Sometimes people get confused between responsibility and accountability. So responsibility indicates that I am responsible for executing the work. Accountability indicates that I am accountable to get it done. Means ultimately if things goes wrong, I am the one who will be answerable. Sometimes you may have a responsibility and accountability given to a same role. Sometimes it is possible the responsibility done by the junior role, but accountability is at the senior role.